Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix can't hear stream sound on Discord Mobile. So from Discord Mobile, you want to go to your profile section down here. Now on the profile section down here, just double tap and then you'll be added to the settings section here. Now from the settings section, you want to scroll down until you find voice, the app settings here, voice. Now on the voice section here, you want to make sure that the volume here is not muted. So give it a moderate amount and then that should fix your problem. If that doesn't fix your problem, you can mess around with the other settings here as well. You can see hide stream previews as well. If you have it turned on, make sure it's turned off. But if this doesn't fix the issue, it might be because of the one who's streaming that's having the issue because they're not streaming the sounds, right? If that doesn't work either, you might want to try on your laptop. If your laptop or your PC and you can hear the stream sound from there, it might be because of your phone, internal or hardware issue. Because in Discord Mobile, you can't pick which output it goes to, right? Because in laptop, it can fix how much output. It can either be in your speaker or in your headphones, right? That also can work for your phone. If your speaker doesn't work, you can try plugging in your headphones or earphones to see if it helps hearing the stream sound on Discord Mobile. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.